park the car in the parking lot and step on those nails. Now we have 2 holes in that wheel. So I took the repair kit and it was not so easy to fix this. But the first hole, managed to do the first hole, was the easiest since it was closer to the edge. We have to light it up. I don't know if you absolutely need to do that, but this is how I used to do it. So that's it for the first hole.
Okay.
Doing a little test.
Now there's a second hole.
So using soap and water, you can see the bubbles coming out from the hole. That's the second hole. That time of the year with all the snow and the mud, car cannot be dirtier. The hole was not big enough to put the patch in, so you have to dig in. This is the hard part. This is how we do it. I'm gonna try to put this. So after a few minutes, digging that hole, it was time to put the second patch. Right. Put this one there. You have to put it all the way in, and when you pull, it sticks in there. And I liked that patch as well. Those tires should be good for the rest of the winter. We'll see for the next one.
That's
next
one.
year
That's the
if
second
we
one.
change them or not.
Okay, go. Go. Step.
And that's it.
That's it. That's all.
So we're gonna put some more air in that tire.
This car
It's
needs
about
to be cleaned up.
45 PSI. and we're good to go. Thank you for watching.